Hey guys, it's Luana and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. In today's episode, we're going to be making mushroom stroganoff. Let's get started. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are cremini mushrooms, some egg noodles, goat cheese, sour cream. You'll also need some butter, green onions or scallions, garlic, beef bouillon, some flour, and last but not least, salt and pepper. First, I start off by bringing a pot of water to a boil. You're going to want to get that going for the egg noodles. And then we'll start chopping these mushrooms to about a 1/4 inch thickness. For the scallions, we'll slice them thinly and leave the white bottoms and the green tops separated. With the garlic, we're going to peel it and mince it finely. Heat a pan to medium-high heat and with a tablespoon of vegetable oil, sauté your mushrooms. Adding salt not only seasons the mushrooms, but it helps to draw out the moisture and give the mushrooms a better sear. Ooh, almost forgot my pepper. Gotta have that. Once the mushrooms are golden brown, add the scallion bottoms and minced garlic to the pan. After mixing that up a bit, add your butter to the pan and let it melt. When your pot of water comes to a boil, add your salt. You're going to want to make sure the salt is added after the water is boiling because salt raises the boiling point of water. Add in your noodles and make sure to give it a good stir so that they don't stick to the bottom. Once your butter is melted, you're going to add flour to the pan. This is called a roux. A roux is a mixture of fats such as oil or butter and flour. This will help to thicken the sauce. Make sure to whisk the broth vigorously to not create clumps. When the sauce is lightly thickened, add your goat cheese and let that simmer. When your egg noodles are done, or al dente, I like to strain them and add a little oil to them. Give it a good mix so they don't stick together. To your pan, you're also going to add sour cream. Give it a good whisk and make sure that everything is well incorporated. And just when you thought I was finished, I'm going to add more pepper. I mean, feel free to leave it out, but trust me, you will not be disappointed. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you haven't already checked out my super secret ingredient meatloaf recipe, click the link right up above. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.